दिशा 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 सेंटर दिशा सेंटर ऊपर दिशा look at this corner please hold on दिशा थोड़ा दिशा सेंटर फिर मार के लगेगा दिशा 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 सेंटर मैम ऊपर ए ऊपर का नहीं रे फोटो नीचे है ऊपर का है दिशा जी सेंटर ये मार के लगा
Yeah.
It's really good to see you here. You know,
Same here, thank you.
What are the 3 things you look into whenever you associate yourself with any brand?
To any brand, okay. I look for how young it is, how fresh it is, and how feasible it is. Affordable, feasible.
What do you say about the Arvind and Sephora?
Sephora, you find everything here. Like, I think the problem about most of the metropolitan cities is you don't like traveling, and when you're looking for certain kind of brands, you don't really find at one place. So this is one, you know, it's like a fairyland where you find all the options in one place, and even the options that you really don't find in India, you can find here. Like so many brands like Benefit and NYX you don't find in India. So I think it's really good for youngsters and teenagers because it's really popular amongst youngsters. So I think I can find anything here.
Okay, how life changed post your very first few meetings?
For me, it's still the same. I'm a workaholic. I like to work. I'm still working. So yeah, of course, people start knowing you. They start recognizing you, which is a good feeling because in a way, it shows your work. It shows that you have done a good work. So yeah, that's a good feeling.
What will you be buying from here?
I'm going to buy everything, like from each rack, everything.
Okay, what are the 3 things you normally carry in your bag?
The makeup thing, a tint from Benefit, mascara from Benefit, and a lip balm.
Okay, what happening on professional front? What's there in the pipeline? Are you in talks?
My film's going to release in around Jan 27. That's called Kung Fu Yoga, and yeah, I'm waiting for that. And also, I'm reading few scripts. So if I find something nice, I'm going to sign it up and I'm going to let you know.
Okay, given a choice, Ranveer Kapoor or Ranveer Singh, with whom you want to work with?
You know, I was a great fan of Ranveer Kapoor when I was young. I had like big crush on him, so I would still choose him.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You don't get it. It's one of those stay long lipsticks. Yeah, the 8 hours, yeah. The red and the liquid one.
It is there. That's the one.
Oh, you got it? Yeah, so this one, and this is the pink one. The pink and the red are my favorite colors. Yeah. The red, you have to get it. Because you don't know how many Instagram messages I get, what color are you wearing? It's very, very popular.
Okay. So this is the heart of the store other than any country. It starts with the brands, considered foundations, compact foundation, nail polishes, selects by family, uses them. And then it gets into eyeshadows. And this is what we are promoting right now out of the three looks. Similarly, this is the new way of merchandising lipsticks would be top liquid things. Protection that's the Ultra HD foundation.
Very nice, very nice.
Being part of the
Fantastic.
Wow.
I can't do it all. The things that I do, I do.
segregated by categories. So you have blushing cream, hydrating, we have all the cleansers. This does like very big seller. It's actually cleansing the water. And then we have all the other water profiling moisturizers. In fact, we have one which is the head to toe.
Oh, really? Wow, that's
So
good.
it's one thing that fits all.
These are fantastic. This is also
That's the
great.
one with the
Different. It's very
Bird's Bees. Lip balm.
hair stuff what you have. I can be the best salesperson because I use all of it.
It's a step by step match for the at the same time, the same layout.
I'm so glad these are the things, 12 bottles of this. You know, I don't have to plug anything now. That's making me very happy. Definitely, I'm going to take easy so that I can call it home also.
What is the store also?
I think also much more. Like one of those, go more free movies out there sometimes. It's convenient. It's quiet. I was just saying that same thing if you do in Delhi. By now we can't be so peaceful.
See, it's a drama because the camera is on. Thank you.
आपकी तरफ अच्छा
Really good to see you, Usha.
Thank you.
Tell us, what are the three things you look into whenever you associate yourself with any brand?
I think brand association always is very important, first of all, for celebrities. I think just something like what the brand represents, what all it's selling, and how much of what they're saying is true. I'm good. No. I just need it in my hand.
You know, Isha, what is fashion for you? What is the style mean? What is fashion means to you? You know, especially makeup part.
Fashion's everything, especially being a celebrity. I think fashion's everything. I'm not saying we have to be, of course, in trend and follow the fashion. But I don't think, chalega na. But I don't think we need to follow the fashion to the T that something's not looking good on our body type, we are still going for it. Something's not looking good on our face, and we're still having that. But makeup trend is also something which is very cool thing, because now the makeup trend is actually followed. If you see from the 50s to the 60s to the 70s till now, like makeup's changing every day, and like I said, like for us, especially for actors, it's like a blessing in disguise.
Okay, Diwali is around the corner. What's your preparation for Diwali?
As in, like what?
Diwali is around the corner. I mean, Diwali is a big festival. What is your preparation for Diwali?
Preparation in what sense?
You know, you'll be shopping, you'll buying stuff for yourself.
बहुत गलत सवाल है भाई, मैं घर से अलग रहती हूँ. देयर विल बी नो दिवाली शॉपिंग. घर में एक दिया जला लूँगी. प्लीज़, जब हम काम करते हैं ना, यू हैव नो टाइम टू हैव दिवाली. आई थिंक आई विल बी अटेंडिंग ऑल द पार्टीज विच विल बी हैपनिंग इन बॉम्बे, बट मेरे अपने घर पे देयर विल बी a diya, and that's it. And I don't believe in firecrackers, and if I get chance, I'll go back home and celebrate Diwali like Delhi does, with all the good food and, you know, all the diyas everywhere, and all the, like, my parents dress it up well, but mera, there's nothing. There's just no shopping happening.
Okay, what happening on professional front? What's the end fight?
I'm just finishing Commando, and then I'm going to Badshaho, and then my other one starts in Feb, which is going to be announced by the end of the year.
If you can tell us a little more about Commando.
6 Jan it's releasing. Please go watch it. I can't tell you about my character. It's a very cool character. It's a very sweet girl, and that's all I can tell you.
Okay, there'll be expectation really high because the Commando one they have done really well.
I know.
So do you feel that pressure on your shoulder being a part of Commando?
No, I think this one's got to do better.
Thank you.
Thank you.
यहाँ पे current trending.
हो गया ना सर? अरे साइड हो ना भाई. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे थोड़ा इधर. बस.
अभी बाहर करते हैं.
I'll be
बार.
बंदूकों का क्या करूँ? देखिए, बहुत खुशी की बात है कि सेफोरा मुंबई में लॉन्च हो गया है, बिकॉज आई थिंक जो लेडीज़ हैं मुंबई की बहुत खुश रहेंगी, बिकॉज दिस इज़ वन ऑफ दोज वन स्टॉप स्टोर्स जहाँ पे हर किस्म की ब्यूटी और मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स आपको मिलेंगी. ऑल्सो द फैक्ट दैट जानकारी मिलेगी कि क्या ट्रेंडी है,
कि कैसे मेकअप करते हैं, कि क्या कॉस्मेटिक यूज़ करना चाहिए। ये मेरा फेवरेट शॉप बहुत सालों से रहा है और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि अब मुझे सूटकेस भर के शॉपिंग बंद करनी पड़ेगी। इंटरनेशनली आई डोंट हैव टू डू इट। अभी मैं मॉल में मुंबई में मॉल में आके शॉपिंग कर सकती हूँ। सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि सेफोरा यहाँ पे खुला है। आई एम क्वालिटी कॉन्शियस। लाइक अगर कोई ब्रांड अच्छी क्वालिटी का कुछ भी प्रेजेंट कर रहा है, आपको दे रहा है, आई एम लाइक अ नॉर्मल कंज्यूमर। आपको ब्रांड तभी अच्छा लगेगा कि जब उनकी क्वालिटी अच्छी होगी, जब वो अच्छा काम करे। मेरे को पूरा स्टोर पसंद आया है और वैसे भी एवरी डे आई यूज सेफोरा प्रोडक्ट्स, चाहे यू नो इट कुड बी अ हेयर प्रोडक्ट, माई लिपस्टिक्स, माई मस्काराज। तो सारे जितने भी ब्रांड्स यहाँ पे सेफोरा जो मदर कंपनी है उसके अंदर जितने भी ब्रांड्स लेके आए हैं, दे आर वेरी वेरी गुड ब्रांड्स। बेनिफिट, स्टिला, मेकअप फॉरएवर, सो दीज आर ऑल ब्रांड्स दैट वी ऑलवेज यूज। थैंक यू।
आपने किया, सब लोगों ने कॉपी किया, उसको सराहा। तो अभी भी आपको लगता है आपको जरूरत है मेकअप करने की?
अरे तो क्या मेकअप नहीं करूँ? इवेंट में आ जाओ ऐसे नींद से उठ के। But see, there is a woman is a woman. काम अलग होता है और एक लड़की होती है, एक वुमन होता है, वो अलग होता है। तो हम लोग अपने शौक के लिए, खुद के लिए चीज़ें करते हैं। You know, it's not only to entertain people or to look good or to put your best foot forward or to inspire people, but बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम लोग खुद के लिए भी करते हैं। और आई थिंक मेन थिंग अबाउट बीइंग अ वुमन इज़ दैट यू लाइक टू, यू नो, ये जो सजना श्रृंगार, ये सब आई थिंक इट बिलोंग्स टू एवरी वुमन। ईच एंड एवरी वुमन हैज़ अ बर्थ राइट ऑन इट। दिवाली बहुत जैसे होती है हमेशा, लक्ष्मी पूजा मम्मी करेगी एंड घर पे खाना पीना एंड मे बी किसी यू नो फ्रेंड के घर पे पार्टी होगी। But it's nice that after my wedding, it's my first Diwali. It's with Karan, and it's sweet. I feel it's a sweet thing. Thankfully they gel together. अच्छी बात है ना? No, I would not like to comment on it. Sorry? देखिए हमारी एक्चुअली वी एज एक्टर्स इन टुडेज टाइम आर स्पॉइल्ड फॉर चॉइस बिकॉज बेहतरीन ब्रांड्स इंडिया में आ चुके हैं और हमारे जो लोकल डिज़ाइनर्स हैं, स्टाइलिस्ट्स हैं, बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। तो हमें ज़्यादा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है। आजकल एक एक्टर को यू नो व्हेन यू वांट टू लाइक टू पुट योर बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड इन एन इवेंट, आई वुड से। तो हमारे आजकल इतने टैलेंटेड लोग हैं कि द टीम्स बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, तो ज़्यादा खुद करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है। बट इन आवर ओन टाइम व्हेन आई वांट टू शॉप एंड ऑल, मतलब सब कुछ सब जगह जाके कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाता है। Yeah, there are definitely, there are offers are, thankfully I'm blessed, offers have always been there, but not the kind that I wanted. So there are 2 films that I am looking into at the moment. Hopefully by next year. I am also hoping to see myself on screen soon. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali to all the viewers. Have a safe Diwali. Be safe, enjoy yourself and love yourself. Thank you.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.